What if I told you? Some people hear a mysterious humming sound that no one else can hear. In Windsor, Ontario, Canada, residents have reported hearing a deep, low-frequency hum for years. Some describe it as the sound of a distant engine that never stops. Scientists investigated the phenomenon, but no single explanation has been confirmed. Some believe it may come from heavy industrial activity, while others think it could be caused by natural or atmospheric effects. Even today, the mysterious hum continues to puzzle both researchers and the people who hear it. So, what do you think is causing the Windsor hum?